Good morning, scholars. Today we're going to continue our way through Book 2 of the Iliad, looking at lines 109 to 122. This is the first half of Agamemnon's speech to the assembled Greek army. Toi ho gere samenos, webe age oise meteuda. Oi biloi ero es dana oi, derapontes are os. Zeus me megan chronides, ate inedese bare sketlios. Hos pren men moi hupesketo, kaikate ne usen. Ilion ekper sant, euteke on abon ne estai. Nunde kaken apaten, bu le usato, kai me kelue dusclea argos hikestai, epe polun ole sa la on. Hutopu di mele, hupemene ipilonenai, hos de pola on polion, cataluse carena, aid etikai luce, tu gar kratos este megiston. Aiskron gatot geste, kai eso menoise putestai, mas hutotoi onde tosonde te la on archaion, a prekton polemon polemisden ede makestai, andrasitao roteroise, telos dupoti pepantai. So, toi ho gere samenos, webe arge oisimeteuta, o biloi hero es, dana oi derapontes are os. So, eredo, with eredas menos being the middle, means to lean upon, and the dative toi, which begins the first line, is referring to the skeptron, the scepter that was described in our previous bit. So toi ho gere somenos. Again, the toi, the dative, is the scepter. The ho refers, of course, to Agamemnon, and the ere samenos describes him leaning on the scepter while he speaks his words to the Argive host. Now, o piloi hero estana oi terapontes are os. Of course, these are all vocatives, and a therapon, therapontos, is a retainer, a henchman, a follower. And when you talk about the therapontes are os, this is a figurative expression just describing warriors in general. You know, these workmen of Ares. Areos, genitive, of course. So the remainder of the exposition of this text is reserved for my Patreon subscribers. So please do join us. It's only $1 a month. $1 a week, $4 or $5 a month for minimum participation to support us financially and to have access to all the resources of these lectures. Toi hogere samenos, wepe arge oise meteuda. O biloi hero es dana oi, derapontes are os. Zeus me megan chronides, ate inedese bare sketlios. Hos pren men moi hupesketo, kaikate ne usen. Ilion ek per sant, euteke on apone estai. Nun de kaken apaten, puleusato kai me kelue, dusclea argos hikestai, epe polu ole salaon. hutopu dii mele, hupemene ipilone nai, hoste pola on polion, cataluse carena, edete kai luce. Tu ga kratos este mageston. Aiskron ga tode geste, kai esomenoise putestai. Mas hutotoion de toson de te la ona kai on. A prekton polemon polemisden ede makestai. Andrasita roteroi si, te los dupote pepantai. Okay, so there we have it. Agamemnon lamenting to the troops about how poorly the war has gone and claiming that Zeus is bidding him to return to Greece. It's somewhat hard to understand how Agamemnon came to this idea of testing the army when Zeus only told him to launch a full-scale attack. This is something that Homer leaves up to the imagination, or perhaps he just wants it to be mysterious how the mind of Agamemnon works. But it is somewhat curious, or at least I find it so. So here we have a wonderful picture of where the main contingents of the Greek army came, and they've been at Troy for 9 years, and so we will see soon after completing Agamemnon's speech how the Greeks are quite eager to just give this silly siege up, trying to get back the wife of Agamemnon's brother and to simply return to their own families. So this we will see as we continue through Book 2. Have a good day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.